Manipur government deploys police personnel and CAF and PD officials at selected petrol pumps across the state to ensure adherence to regulations. Chief Minister N. Biren denounces the recent attack on the family of BJP spokesperson T. Michael Lamzathang Hokip, terms it an act of cowardice. And security forces arrest 11 cadres of 3 proscribed outfits in separate incidents in a single day. A very good evening. You're watching IS English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. In response to a worsening fuel shortage, the Manipur government has begun deployment of police personnel at petrol pumps across the state. This measure, as stated by L. Susindro, the state's Minister for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, aims to address the escalating fuel crisis and curb extortion attempts. During a press conference, Susindro said that some petrol stations have been forced to shut down due to the financial losses incurred from customers living without paying after refueling. To prevent further incidents, the government has stationed police and food and public distribution department staff at selected fuel stations to ensure smooth operations and adherence to regulations. Susindro warned fuel retailers of legal consequences if they refuse to sell fuel despite having adequate stock. He said there is enough fuel in the state. Legal action will be initiated against petrol pump operators who refuse to sell fuel despite having stock. The fuel crisis has been exacerbated by frequent landslides along national highways, which have disrupted the transportation of LPG cylinders to the state. This disruption has contributed to the severe fuel shortage in the Imphal Valley. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has strongly denounced the recent attack on the family of BJP spokesperson T. Michael Lamzathang Hokip. The incident, which occurred last Sunday night in Churchandpur district, involved vandalism and arson at Hokip's residence. The Chief Minister took to X and stated that the attack carried out on the family members of Michael Lamzathang, a leader of the Thadau community, the oldest among the ethnic tribes of Manipur, as well as a BJP spokesperson, by vandalizing his house was an act of cowardice. The Chief Minister emphasized the gravity of the situation, saying he considers the personal harm being put on one of our recognized tribes as a direct challenge on the unity and the integrity of the state. Singh vowed to take action, declaring the government will initiate appropriate legal action against the culprits. Reports indicate that armed miscreants targeted Hokip's family home in Philian village around 11 p.m. on August 25th. This marks the second such attack on the BJP spokesperson's residence amidst ongoing tensions in Manipur. Hokip, who belongs to the Thadau tribe, took to social media to express his concerns. He wrote, and I am quoting, "We are lifting our prayers and many are standing with us in prayer for the Thadau community." This incident comes in the wake of recent statements by 3 MLAs from the region who have been advocating for a separate administration within Manipur. They have also called for their tribes to be recognized by their specific names rather than the collective term Kuki Joe. Meanwhile, the violent attack on the family home of Michael Lamzathang Hokip, who is also a prominent Thadau student leader, has drawn strong condemnation from the Thadau Community International (TCI) as well. According to a statement by TCI, around 30 armed individuals alleged to be supporters of a Kuki supremacy agenda fired multiple rounds at Hokip's residence and attempted to set fire to properties attached to the home. The attack took place shortly after Hokip participated in a televised panel discussion on Kuki supremacy and its agenda. TCI described the assault as barbaric and cowardly, stating it was an attack on the whole Thadau community and to crush the Thadau community as to create psychosis. The organization emphasized that this was the second such attack on Haokip's home, with a previous incident occurring on May 6, 2023. Their statement highlighted ongoing tensions between the Thado and Kuki communities, alleging widespread human rights abuses against Thados by Kuki supremacists. TCI claims these abuses include restrictions on obtaining tribe certificates and participation in Thado activities. The TCI stated that the Thado community believes in non-violence, law of the land and in civil discourse, while urging Thados to remain steadfast to Thado values and to remain calm yet courageous in the midst of fear and tense environment. The organization called for government intervention, demanding stern and immediate actions against the culprits of the attacks on Michael Lamzathang according to the law. Security forces arrested 11 cadres of 3 proscribed armed groups, namely KYKL, KCP, PWG and UNLF Koireng, from different places in Imphal West, Imphal East and Bishnupur districts yesterday. 6 cadres of KYKL were arrested from Awang Potsangbam in Imphal West district in a joint operation yesterday. They have been identified as Oinam Naucha Meitei, aged 26 years, Tharoism Nanau Meitei, aged 25 years, Yumnam Amit Kumar, aged 38 years, Sandam Roshan Meitei, aged 24 years, Moirang Them Boy Singh, aged 41 years, Waribam Ibomcha Meitei, aged 35 years. Furthermore, security forces recovered 3 gun-topping lenses, 3 live ammunition rounds, 1 tube launching empty case, 1 4-wheeler vehicle, 6 mobile handsets, along with various military fatigues and other miscellaneous items. In the follow-up action, police raided some locations and recovered 1 single-barrel gun, 1 double-barrel DBBL gun, 2 live cartridges of barrel gun, 3 loaded magazines of AK-47 with 75 live rounds, 5 empty magazines of M16 assault rifle, 230 assorted live rounds, 7 wireless walkie-talkie sets with 3 chargers, various military fatigues, 1 laptop and 1 hard disk and other miscellaneous items. In a separate incident, Manipur police arrested 4 cadres of KCP PWG, namely Khundrakpam Rojit Singh, aged 28 years, Thokchom Somu Singh, aged 23 years, Khoirokpam Avinash Singh, aged 21 years, and Khundrakpam Ongbe Victoria Devi, aged 26 years, from Nambol area in Bishnupur district. They were involved in extortion activities in and around Nambol area. The police recovered 1 pistol with 1 live round, 4 mobile phones, 1 vehicle, and a sum of 900 rupees in cash. In another incident, Manipur police arrested 1 cadre of proscribed outfit, a UNLF Koireng, from Haingang Makhalika in Imphal East. The arrested cadre has been identified as Konsam Romesh Meitei, aged 43 years. He was involved in extortion activities from various brick fields in Imphal East. Police recovered 2 mobile phones, 1 valet and 1 2-wheeler vehicle from his possession. Various Kuki organizations will be organizing a rally at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi on August 31st, 2024, demanding the formation of union territory with a legislature for the Kuki Jau. The rally, organized by the Kuki NP and Kuki Students Organization, is scheduled from 1:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is being organized in protest against the organizers' term institutionalized genocide at the hands of the NBN Singh-led BJP government against the Kuki Jau community. The demonstrators will demand that justice be delivered and full autonomy be given, with the union territory demand being a guarantee for rights and security to the Kuki Jau people. Apart from the New Delhi rally, there will be another rally at Churchandpur that is jointly being organized by the Jaumi Students Federation and the Kuki Students Organization. Both the rallies are demanding that the crisis in Manipur draws national attention and immediate action by the central government. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Manipur government deploys police personnel and CAF and PD officials at selected petrol pumps across the state to ensure adherence to regulations. Chief Minister N. Biren denounces the recent attack on the family of BJP spokesperson T. Michael Lamzathang Hokip, terms it an act of cowardice. And security forces arrest 11 cadres of 3 proscribed outfits in separate incidents in a single day. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and have a great evening.